Ladies and gentlemen, that's the last time it's gonna be sounding like that. I already saw the title. I'm wearing the shirt. The reason we're staring eye to eye through this screen right now is because we're installing the AWE touring exhaust finally on the B8.5. The S5 is gonna sound a little more refined, a little more tuned, a little less raspy. Finally, good. This is a video I've been waiting to do for a long time. I say a long time, it's been like 2 weeks since my actual exhaust arrived. Things fell into place to where today is the day. And I'm super, super pumped. We did the B9 S5 with the AWE track exhaust a couple days ago and it turned out phenomenal. Today, obviously, with the supercharged B6, it's gonna sound a bit different, but different in a good way. I can't wait to get this raspiness out of my life. And finally have a full-on exhaust system, not some like X-pipe kind of rigged thing that custom job. I don't know, I just wanted an exhaust system. It's the first real mod I've bought in quite a long time. That is the big project of the day, ladies and gents. If you want to see more projects, more things, more car-related shenanigans, feel free to hit that subscribe button, stick around. If this video is uploaded and we've already hit 10,000, immense thank you. Let's get right to the shopping, get straight to work, because there are a few other things I need to do beforehand. No shortage of things to do. Let's head to the shop. We're working on the S5. I say we again. We've got people in here that know way more than me. Their brains are anatomically twice the size of mine. So gonna leave it to them. We have the AWE touring exhaust for the B8.5 S5 today. Very excited to get this in. Mine is already proving to be a little more tricky because the kind of cheap job that I got done 3 years ago may be coming back to haunt us. There's just kind of an X-pipe chilling, and I don't know how it's really gonna play out here, but this is gonna be a project. So this unit is a catback exhaust. Let's go to the wide angle quick. We're just kind of planning what's gonna happen. Devin, what's the verdict, my friend?
It's welded and it's not supposed to be, so you're gonna have to cut it.
We're cutting what?
Cut at the pipe.
Oh, it might be a longer evening than we planned for.
That's not too bad for not being able to see.
Good work. That's fine, that's all. Yeah, what do we got here?
I'll pull it out with it.
Catch of the day, huh?
Oh my god.
Nice.
Originally, when we dropped the exhaust, we cut it on the back part of the X-pipe. New exhaust has an X-pipe in it, so all we gotta do is cut the top. It'll slide right over. Perfect. So we should have just cut it up here to begin with.
All right,
which is better than cutting it here and then realizing we were supposed to cut it here.
18 inches, 2 pieces of 2 inch, no, 2 inch.
All right, we gotta get 2 inch ID, 36 inches total, huh?
There's 1. There's 2.
Well, that was easy. So it didn't work, huh?
I don't know why.
I think somebody measured wrong is why.
Measure it again.
I'm not measuring it. And we need a ride to O'Reilly's. Oh, we're back. This looks like progress, boys. I'm a big fan. Who is even under my car right now? That's Rory, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful. I think I'm the only person who hasn't been under my car today.
That's probably a good thing.
Yeah. Come on. How do you like my underglow?
Oh!
Whoa.
Chill, I like my face the way it is, bro.
It's not gonna hit your face, it would have hit mine first.
Let's double check.
No one wants to lose time.
We're on the last step of the exhaust, which is the tips.
Tip time.
It's tip time. I mean, that looks good for the outside one. Inside one, let's see. I like it right there, to be honest, like right there. That stagger, that everything. Oh my gosh. Remember what the stock tips look like on this? That looks so good. I just like how shiny they are, because they're never, ever, ever gonna be this shiny ever again.
No way.
Holy moly, look how shiny those are.
Yeah, those are shiny. Just to be black.
Everything is done. The exhaust is finished. The exhaust is on. We're actually gonna start the car here. Get the first cold start with the AWE Touring. And I'm pumped. Skibbs, what are you doing? What are you doing down here? We're trying to start the car.
I like to inhale it.
We are go for start. That's awesome. Oh, yeah. Yeah, boy. That's the best my car has ever sounded. I'm happy with that, ladies and gents. I'll tell you what. Did want to close out with a couple final words because when I was doing research into what exhaust I wanted, I was debating between the track and the touring versions of the AWE exhaust. Ultimately, obviously decided on the touring. No real drone on the highway at all. It's definitely loud enough. I enjoy it. I daily drive this car. I'm sure my neighbors are fine with it, but that's a huge difference between my kind of janky $150 exhaust that I had on there before, which was basically just an X pipe and then a resonator delete. It sounds better. It sounds like a performance car should. So I'm super happy with the outcome. So if you guys have any specific questions about this exhaust for the B8 or B8.5 platforms, leave them in the comments below. I read all my comments, so go ahead, leave a like on the video if you did enjoy. If you want to stick around, hit that subscribe button as well. Ladies and gentlemen, until next time, we'll see ya.